Congratulations. You signed up for this 30-day yoga challenge. You're the type of person who takes your health and your wellness serious. I put together this course that's going to help take your 30 days to a whole nother level. So before you even get to the 30-day challenge, I want you to learn some fundamental things. First, whenever we get to our yoga practice, the focus is always on the breath. And we're going to breathe in through the nose and out of the nose to help our mind relax, calm down, and focus. Second, we're going to use the whole body. I'm talking about the whole body. Yep. We're going to stretch all the way from our toes to the top of our head and our fingertips. And when we do that, we want to be mindful of our body. So if you make a move and it's a little painful, if you make a move and it feels like your breath is short and your body's going to ask you to stop, go ahead and stop. It's about safety first. We're going to make it through this 30 days and you're going to be better, not more injured. So whenever you feel like your body's saying stop, stop. Relax, release. This is yoga. Take it easy. And the third is about being in a state of mindfulness. I want you to think about it right now. Is your heart going? Is your breath going? Is your blood flowing? These are all things that happen automatically. But when we are in our yoga practice, I want you to think about where you place your hands, where you place your shoulders, where you place your feet, and then let it go. That's all a part of being mindful and in the present moment. And we do that by combining that breath with the movement, with the focus to help change and transform your day. It's going to take this 30-day challenge to help you step into the renewal. But even more, we have this course for you that's going to take your life and renew it. So go ahead and click the link below to learn how you can get your yoga and meditation beginner's course right now. Today, it's for you. It's going to have tons of tips and tools to get your yoga and your meditation practice started. And when you combine that with the 30-day challenge, you will have a life transformed to help you go from yelling to yoga. All right, let's get yourself some renewal. Go ahead and click the link below to find out how you can get this amazing course, the beginning yoga and meditation courses for you. All right, let's go. This is James Woods, aka that yoga dude. Feel free, feel free. I need a meditation break, a mindfulness break. Sometimes it's as soon as I wake up, I need a break, or in the middle of the day, or before I go to sleep. But the importance of having a mindfulness meditation break is building a relationship with your mind. Building a relationship with part of your mind that's calm and relaxed and steady instead of all over the place, racing from here to there. I have my meditation blanket. It's actually just one of those Mexican blankets. Fold it over. It's comfortable to sit. It's nice to sit on. I also have my bolster here that can support me, and here that can support me if I need it, just to get being comfortable in the physical to help me be comfortable in the mental. That's what yoga is all about. We stretch the body, we do the breathing so we can be comfortable in the mental. Let's get into our meditation practice. Mindfulness and meditation are key parts of just living healthy. We've all been there where we feel like we're burnt out and we can't control anything, let alone our breath and our mind. Everything is chaotic. Being able to have a meditation practice helps us to quickly come to a place of peace and calm. But it's called a practice because we have to do it on a regular basis. We can learn how to come back to that calm. We can learn how to relax. For this meditation practice, we are just going to go into a practice of deep relaxation and focus on the breath. So whether you're sitting, lying down, I should begin to relax the shoulder. Relax. Let the face be slack. No scrunching anywhere, letting the cheeks fall. Relaxing the lips. The eyes are comfortable behind the lid. Release the jaw from any clenching. Tighten. During this meditation practice, I want you to stay with your breath. Stay with the inhale and the exhale. As you inhale, I want you to breathe in deeply and exhale, extending it, letting it go. This is a mindfulness practice based on a technique called RAIN. R-A-I-N. RAIN stands for recognize. Recognizing, what are you thinking right now? What are you feeling? Where there are sensations in your body? What's happening in your mind? Any pain, any tightness, any peace? What are your thoughts? What's picking up on your mind? Just recognizing what's there. As you recognize, as you gain a sense of awareness, aware that it's happening in your body. It's an emotion, it's a thought that's going through your mind. But you get to sit back and watch it all happen. You are aware of what's going on in your body. You're aware of what's going on around you, but it's not you. You're just in a state of awareness. And as your awareness grows, you can start to ask those questions, investigate. Why is my back tight? Why am I thinking about the phone bill? Why are my shoulders still so high up close to my ear? Am I still breathing? You're taking time to investigate what's going on. Curious questions without criticism or condemnation. Just questions. As you continue to. And the last letter, N, nurture. You recognize, understand that you are the one watching with awareness, and have a quick investigation into why this possible. Drop all of that and rest into nurture. Just letting your body be what it is, letting your mind be what it is, letting you be present right here in the moment. Understand that things run through your mind and your body that you can't control, but you can let go and be there for yourself. Be cool, kind, calm to yourself. They're just thoughts. They're just sensations. Let's take the next couple of minutes to just practice recognizing from a state of awareness to a quick investigation and landing back and nurturing, taking care of yourself, being there for you. No matter what's on your mind, no matter what's going through your body, showing yourself some love. We do that through breathing in and gently breathing out. Go back to the breath. Come back to the moment, losing the guilt, breathing in, breathing out. Chest relax. And the body relax. And your mind focus on the breathing. Continue to nurture. And more breath here. Focus on the breath, not the counting. I'll do that. For 8, 7, 6, relax. 5, 4, Right. You've done so much sitting here being present. No need to do anything else except enjoy the rest. Let this mindfulness meditation practice and use it on a regular basis. It'll bring you back to a place of nurturing. As always, feel free to feel free. Everybody say, Namaste.